little ducks went out one day, waddling down the pond to play. Red quacked strong and blue skipped along, yellow hummed a bright little song. Quack, 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 the colors collide, green leaps free and pink takes a slide. 5 little ducks in a rainbow parade, the brightest crew that nature made. Red spun circles, a swirling top. Blue made splashes with a giant plop. Yellow hopped up to see the breeze, while green danced under the willow trees. Quack, 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 the colors collide, green leaps free and pink takes a slide. 5 little ducks in a rainbow parade, the brightest crew that nature made. Pink did twirls like a daring star, green shined bright like a leaf afar. Their giggles sparked and filled the air, a splashy rainbow beyond compare. Soon the sun began to dip low, the ducks turned home with a gentle glow, each color shining, a memory of fun, underneath the fading golden sun.